Hi folks, welcome back and thanks for joining. So today I have a lab project that I'm going to include you in, and we're going to install a utility sink. It's going to be a very handy item in here. Currently when I want to wash something up I have to take it to the bathroom. That's a walk. We have room for it right here. As a matter of fact, there used to be some sort of device like that here before, but it's been since removed. Well, I'm going to reinstall it. But I'm going to soup it up just a little bit. I'm going to install a 4-gallon water heater. And beyond the plumbing, which is you'll see it's going to be very simple. This is an ideal solution for many folks because this doesn't need any special wiring. This plugs straight into any standard outlet, 110. So we're going to get started. Now the area that I've chosen is right here. And as you can see, it used to have plumbing here, and we're just going to open it up and put it right here. All right, so let's get rolling. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in for a close-up for everything here and show you all the things that we're going to use for this project and the particular types of hardware that I've chosen for this project, because it's a little bit different than what you might think. All right. So let's get going. So, standard utility sink. It's roughly 24 by 24, and it has the legs, and easy sides, safe for labware, so that you're not banging your labware on a hard surface while you're washing it. So it's an ideal solution. And here's the hot water heater. It says Richmond, but Richmond and Rheem are same animal. Okay, and they've included all the hardware that I would need. This is a temperature and pressure relief valve. This is the basic part of it. Here you will still need to direct the water with copper. It's a regulation, so you not only have to have this, you have to direct it away so that the hot water spews out safely and doesn't splash anybody. The tools that I'm considering using only for this that I need so far that I can think of course, is the glue and the primer for the PVC. There's one joint that I will need this Teflon tape for. I'm going to need to clean some copper, and I'm going to need to cut some copper. Just a standard utility sink faucet. Nothing special there. They've included a nice little adapter here so that you can put a garden hose on here whenever you need to run a hose from your sink. That'll get a lot of use. And here's another adapter that when I go from the copper, first I transition with a shark bite into the 1/2 inch. Then I go from here to the 3/8. And then we're going to take our cold water and we're going to split it with this valve right here. It's a Y. Okay, so as you can see, 1/2 inch to a Y. And here's our shark bites that we're going to need. Hoses. Got the longest one. They're 3 feet each. Probably more than enough. And of course I needed a third hose to go from the cold water to the water tank. Okay. Now there is everything we're going to need there. A little piece of PVC for the drain. We're going to break into it. Okay. Install a T. Little piece of pipe. Transition down. From the sink, we're going to transition into this with what's called a little tailpiece right here that you screw into the drain. All right. So, I'm going to set this down and we're going to get rolling.